I have created so many videos about Create Studio, comparing with the other product and some tutorial videos, but today I have realized that I haven't created most necessary video, that is Create Studio review. That's why in today's video I will review Create Studio. Here in this video I will provide everything: Create Studio demo, pros and cons, price and upsells. We will also talk about its alternative. So at the end of this video, no question will left in your mind about Create Studio. Like other affiliates, I have also my bonuses ready. You will get this page link in the description where you can find the bonuses, but don't click on that link. First watch the demo video. If you find Create Studio is helpful, then you can go to this page for the checkout. So here I am in the Create Studio. Let me go to the exit. Okay, so this is your Create Studio. It is a downloadable software that you can install only on Windows or Mac computer. As you can see, we have templates. So you will get some pre-made templates in the front-end version. It has around 40 templates that you can use. You can customize, edit them to create your videos. These templates are really amazing. For example, this template is free. If you just want to give a follow-up that today I will be live. Amazing. You can edit your content and there are so many other things, but for this video I will create a video from a scratch. Click on create new project, name it, and here I will change the resolution. You can also go with the stories, or if you looking for a Facebook or Instagram scare thing, background color change if you want to do. Otherwise click on create new project. As you can see, I am in the media tab. Here all your imported videos, audio, everything will be available here. There is also a media library. By default in the front end version you will get a pixels library, so you can directly import from that website inside the project rather than first downloading through the browser. But if you upgrade to media upgrade, we will talk about in the price. Then you have also API of Pixabay and audio tab where you will get background music and sound effects files. Here you can import your own files. In the Create Studio you also have text to speech service. Then we have studio. Here you will get all the cartoon type of things. Down the below we have timeline, and these things keep changing depending upon the asset that you have selected. One more thing that I love about Create Studio is that it will show you a preview when you hover over the element. So as I hover over the backgrounds, it's so much better that we can find out what's it will look like while we will create a video. It will really helpful to decide what element we should pick. So right now I will go to the background and I will go to 3D backgrounds. In the front end version some things are included, but for the some things you have to upgrade their all access pass. It is a monthly payment, and this is a beauty. You can view it, but whatever you are getting in this all access pass, so you can upgrade later on at any time. It's not a OTO kind of thing like now or never. It's not like that. So I have just drag and drop and it will be added. Actually I added 2 times, so I will delete this. And this can be customized, so I will double click on it. So here the table position you can change it. The one more thing that I want to do is add a character. Again I will in the studio I will go to home, and in the characters again divided into multiple categories. I will again go to 3D. I will use the Bruce, and by the way these characters you have to download using this icon. I have already downloaded the Bruce, that's why I am using it. Every character comes with some pre-made actions. These actions keep changing depending upon the character that you have selected. For this character I will choose working on PC and then frustrated. Okay, as you can see the position table is backward, so I want to move it forward. So in the timeline I will draw it above the Bruce. So as you can see now it is in the backward. Now I will adjust the table position. In the Create Studio you can zoom in if you really want micro level editing. It's amazing. So I will click on fit to screen. Let's have a preview. It doesn't look better. Yeah, that's good. Actually I have something different in my mind. First of all I want to change it wave, then after that working on a PC and frustrated. So you can add another action once the previous action is finished. And let's again go to the home, and by the way, we don't have any audio, so I told you that if you purchase the media upgrade, then you will have this audio tab. Here again it is divided into categories, and you can also use the search. I will go to some kind of rock. This one, yeah, it's good. I will import it. Click on that download icon. So it's done. After that, click on that close button. Now it is here again, drag and drop, and it will be added to your project. So right in the starting there is no sound, so what I want to do, I want to trim my audio like this. It's so easy to use, and here you can control the you can shrink the or increase whatever you call it, the timeline. I mean, we can go on and on. Maybe we add some text here. No, not about this one. This again I will trim it, and here, so that's good. I want to change its content. Double click on it, and here you can say meet. Okay, then here go to the main media. Actually all the elements that we are adding in the background. So what you can do, you can right click on it and click on the ungroup. Then everything will be available in the main project. But if you really have a complicated video, then you can select multiple things and like this, okay, like here and here. Then you can right click and click on create group, so it will be a one layer. The next thing, I mean, there we can go on and on, create a video, but I just really want to tell you the whole features. We have shapes that also include some kind of animation. The one thing that I love, we have emojis. I mean, really can create your video engaging. However, if you don't purchase the all access pass, you have access to only classic emoji, but I think these are good enough for creating amazing videos. Make sure guys, for downloading you have a strong internet connection, because my internet connection is really low right now. And then we have some video, electricity, some next level things that you can add. For the video editing, you can add a background music or trim your video, or you can even apply a green screen color or some text, basic things. If you really want to add a simple text, then you can click on that text button, and it will be added here. This thing is basically call out spot or icons that doesn't have any animations. Okay, then we have this picture icon where you can some kind of illustration images and some other things. As you can see, this is also really good, some SVG images. Actually it is loading data from the internet, I guess, so that's why it's taking long. Okay, another that effect that I want to show about Create Studio, let me just add a text here, just this random text. So first of all, you can add a gradient color. So if you click on the color, here you have linear gradient, red, and then we maybe mixture of blue, so you can just see it, that's why I'm adding. Then you can also of course find font family. Here it looks better. The thing that I was talking about is the motion tab. You can add motion, how things will appear to the anything, either it is your own video, your photo, character, whatever you are using inside the Create Studio. You can also create your own animation from a scratch. Let's say that you want to change a position, opacity, I mean you want to create your own effect, but believe me or not, most of the time you don't need this thing, because we have motion where you have a inbuilt motion. For example, slide, pay very close attention to it. If you click on that slide right, it will show you preview, but if you click on that square icon, then it will be applied on the thing that you have selected. So we have a lot of things. Let me just delete it. So if we go to skew, that don't you think it looks better? So let's add it here. Yeah, so that's the motion type that you can apply to anything, either a character for a walking effect, or you can create your own one. That is up to you. Guys, that is where we have a social. You really want to add some your social media handles or a YouTube subscribe like kind of thing, and everything is available. Is a complete video solution for the whoever need help with animation or some promotional kind of stuff. Now I want to talk about pros and cons, then we jump to the price and upsell section. So the thing that I like about the Create Studio, it is easy to use. I mean, it's so much. I mean, when I first heard about it, I thought it will be very difficult to use, but it is really easy to use. Then you can import your own videos, and it is a software unlike Powtoon Animaker, which is a cloud-based solution. So it is a desktop software. And you have also in the, I mean, if you purchase the front end plan, then you have a Pixels API. You don't need to use Google again and again. I mean, if you purchase the upsell, then you have more options. The character, I mean, if you look at the design of the characters, just anything else except this, then all the designs are really amazing. That will help you to create amazing videos. So I really love the whoever designed that background character or whatever the elements available in the studio tab. Now talk about what are the things that I miss or don't like about Create Studio. The first thing that I miss about Create Studio is there is no lip sync feature. So you have seen that 3D or not 3D animation characters are talking as you provide them audio, and it looks like they are speaking. However, in the Create Studio, for the some characters you have this presenting action that is something bit similar to speaking, but still if you want to create a custom like it is speaking your voiceover, then it's not possible in the Create Studio. That is the first thing that I don't like about the Create Studio. The second thing that I don't like about Create Studio is, I mean, if you can see, there are so many layers. If you really try to create a complex video and you want to edit, I mean, sometimes it is difficult to find a right thing. It can take a little bit of time, so that is the disadvantage. However, you can create a group, but still I wish I can like there is a empty space, so maybe I can add something in the same layer. That will be, I think, better. Otherwise I think it is a really nice tool. Now we talk about price. So I have everything ready here. The front end version you already know, $67. These are the features: unlimited video export, Pixels API. You will get 20 both 2D and 3D animated characters. The first upsell is all access pass, $37 every month. Here you will get instant access of these 100 done for you template and 40 extra characters, 8 3D characters or 35 2D characters, and you will also get some other animated assets, for example emojis and some 3D icons. Then because it is a monthly fees, new templates and character will be added every month. The question that arose in my mind, let's say that I have purchased the all access pass, so after 1 month I cancel it, because you can cancel it any time. So do I still own all the characters and assets that I have purchased, that I get in the first place? I contacted them and they said no, you don't. Then you have media upgrade. I told you Pixabay library, Pixels video library. Front plan only include API for the photos, but if you need video, you also want to import video, then you can go with this. Then you have music and sound effects. Sound effects, characters walking, typing, these kind of things that will make your videos more engaging. Then you have agency. If you looking for more license, default plan is available for 2 license. So these are the features. I mean, it will cost you 97, not I just mistyped it. It will cost you 97 if you're looking for virtual assistant license, but if you're looking for agency where you have 6 license and here you have 3 license, it will cost you 197. So does the Create Studio worth it? I don't say it for every next software, but Create Studio is definitely worth it the price. And even if you go with the front end the version, because right now I have this front end and media upgrade, I don't have this all access pass, so it's really amazing. Now I want to talk about its alternatives. I think the biggest alternative if you compare price is a Toonly. I have created a separate video where obviously Create Studio is the winner, but I want to provide a summary of in this video why Create Studio is better. In the Create Studio you can import your own videos and edit them. Toonly don't allow you to import your own videos. Its design and characters design, it's really better than the Toonly. Then we have also, I mean, except the characters, we have emojis that contain motions. We have some other things, back icons, typography. I mean, that only you have only 5 text templates. That's so frustrating. Then you can slide. I mean, there are so many things available in the Create Studio, and this motion tab, you will use this a lot when you really create some advanced videos. In that only you can't apply you can't move objects like as you want, and there is no pre-made templates in the Toonly. And talking about its other alternatives, maybe a Powtoon, Animaker, Beyond. The thing is, if your price is important for you, then it is one of the best alternative. And Create Studio allows you to create 3D video, which none of the Animaker, Powtoon allows you to do it. But there are some features available in the Powtoon Animaker that are not available in the Create Studio. For example, in the Animaker, while you are working on the laptop, you can control the face expression, maybe happy, sad, or however you want to control. And of course you have more characters. Create Studio is new, but if you purchase the all access pass, you will keep getting new characters every month. So that is the, I think for the price, if we compare, I mean, price is our base, it is much better than its alternatives. And if you can pay higher, obviously you will get a better product. But its design, characters design, whoever designed these things, this is really amazing, no doubt, because I have used all of them: Animaker, Powtoon, Beyond. Now talk about the bonuses. So this page link is available in the description. After using, you have to use my affiliate link if you want to get these bonuses, and then I will check from the my end, because I receive only customer name. So you have to mail me your recept at the admin at the globalbestoffer.com. Everything is available actually on this page. So you have a Google Ads Bootcamp, Facebook Ads Bootcamp, and some other courses that are so much expensive if you try to buy them. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, query, let me know by the comment section. I will happy to reply you. Okay, bye.